So to make this dress pattern, I'm going to be using my pattern paper that I'm going to fold. So this is a very essential step. You have to fold your pattern paper so that you can have your center front and center back. So after folding my pattern paper, I'm going to start drafting the dress pattern. So at the top here, I'm going to mark my neck width and my shoulder measurements. So I'm just going to get my ruler and start drafting from the top. So right here, I'm going to measure my neck width measurement of 3 inches and my shoulder measurement of 8 inches. So this is my neck width. Then I'm also going to mark my neck depth measurement of 3 inches. So I'm going to curve and connect to shape my neckline. The next I'm going to place my shoulder measurements divide by 2. So my shoulder measurements divide by 2 is 8 inches. Then I'm going to slant. So this is the open side. I'm putting all my measurement from the folded side. So I'm going to slant my shoulder measurement by 1 inch. Then I'll connect my shoulder slope. So this is my shoulder slope that I'm connecting. Then after connecting the shoulder slope, I'm going to put my armhole measurement. So I'm just going to mark my armhole measurement right here. Then I'm going to draw a straight vertical line and another horizontal line outwards. So I'll start with the horizontal line here outwards, then I'll draw out a vertical line. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the midpoint from this armhole. I'll find the midpoint of this. So I'm just going to get my measuring tape to help me find the midpoint. Then on the midpoint, I'm going to go inwards by 1/2 inch. And this will just help me to shape my armhole. Then at this corner here, I'm going to go up by 1 inch. So I'm going to connect these points and shape my armhole. So this is my armhole, guys. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my shoulder to bust measurements. Or for the back neckline is going to be having a neck depth of 1 inch. So I'm just going to connect and shape my back neckline. So they have the front and back neckline. So now we can move on to connect our shoulder to dress full length. So this is a very short dress, guys. It's just going to be 30 inches long. It's not for an adult. Then I will mark my shoulder to bust, my shoulder to waist, and shoulder to hip. Then I'm going to draw and connect these points with horizontal lines. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my bust's circumference divide by 4 plus seam allowance. Then I'm going to go on my waist. I'll do the same. My waist circumference divide by 4 plus seam allowance. I'll go to the hip. I'm going to do the same. My hip circumference divide by 4 plus seam allowance. Then I'm going to connect these points. Then I'll connect it down to the hemline. So guys, this is how you easily make your dress pattern. Very easy. So I'm just going to cut out. So this is basically the front then back neckline and front neckline. So I'm just going to cut out the back first. And after cutting out the back, you can trace it onto another fabric and make your back, then leave out the front for the front. Thank you so much guys, and don't forget to subscribe.